Is your house not up to par again? Need some help getting everything organized? From now on, I'll share a weekly cleaning schedule with you to get it all done, and we're starting right now. Hi everyone, my name is Nieke. Thank you for tuning in to my third cleaning schedule video. As you know from the previous two videos, I'll present to you a cleaning schedule which you can follow in your home next week. This schedule is designed to keep your weekend free so you have time to spend with your family instead of doing chores. As always, the written schedule can be found at the end of the video. If you want to print it out, let me know in comments and I will post the schedule on Instagram or other social media. Let's get started. We start off on Monday. The schedule consists of morning and evening chores. You are meant to tackle these chores on a daily basis, so every day of the work week. They will make sure your house keeps tidy and no laundry will pile up. Every morning, make the beds, go around collecting the dirty laundry, put a load in the washing machine and pick up downstairs. Empty the dishwasher before you go to work. On Monday, instead of making the beds, change your bed sheets. Every afternoon or evening, put your laundry in the dryer and fold it and put it away. Do a quick toilet clean, cook, clean your dishes and empty the trash. Your daily cleaning chore for today is cleaning the bedroom. Dust and vacuum. If you already changed the bed sheets, that will save you some time, so you should get it done quickly. If you have some extra time, do the chores you didn't get around to last week to make sure you stay on schedule. We're moving on to Tuesday. As always, first things first, do the morning and afternoon or evening chores. Your day job for the day is cleaning the bathroom and to get the ironing done. On Wednesday, aside from your daily tasks, it's time to clean the kitchen. Pay special attention though. This time, you're not going to clean the outside of the cabinets, but you should clean them inside. Make sure the microwave and oven get a good scrub, then clean and vacuum. Now it's Thursday already. The weekend's coming closer. Take care of your living room. Don't forget to tend to your plants. Your extra work is challenging today. Plan your menu for next week, prepare your grocery list, do your administration, and get rid of all old paper in the house, which you're done with, such as folders, magazines, things like that. Here's my cleaning tip, cheap but effective for a streak-free TV. Just use a damp cloth. Rinse it with tap water, nothing else. Take an old but clean kitchen towel. First, clean the TV with the damp cloth. Afterwards, dry it off with a kitchen towel. Your TV will look great. Don't just use any kind of detergent on your TV screen, as it may damage it. Now it's Friday. Clean your staircase, hallway and deep clean your toilet. Do your grocery shopping and the rest of the weekend you'll have plenty of time to spend with those you love. That's the schedule for this week. If you want to keep on schedule, hit that subscribe button. I have faith that together we can find the balance between having a clean home and having time to spend with those we love. Don't forget that when your environment is clean, you'll feel happy, motivated and healthy. That's it for this video. I wish you all a productive week and see you next Sunday with an updated cleaning schedule. Take care, y'all!